Hey guys, welcome back, and today I wanted to bring a video for you, tutorial for you, using some drugstore products that I picked up. And the palette that I used is this one from Milani, sorry to blind you, and it's the Milani the Pure Passion palette. And I also have a tutorial at the end of the video on how I did this look, how I tied this, because everybody has been asking me, how do you tie those bands? So I have a tutorial at the end of this video to show you how I do it. If you want to see that, stick around. And I have to say Milani is really stepping up the game here. Look at that palette. I know these are warm tone colors. You guys have seen me use these shades before, but this is what I normally gravitate towards, and I normally do other colors too, but I really usually when I start a palette I want to try that, or I want to try a palette that has greens and pinks and blues, but for now we'll use that one. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to be using the Milani the eyeshadow primer, and it's lightweight, it's invisible finish, that's what it says, and that's how it looks like. And usually I don't use concealer for my eyelids because I found concealers to be really thick, and then I find that my shadows come out cakey, and I just don't like that look. So maybe I'll keep trying to work with concealer. And I already did my eyebrows, and I used the CoverGirl Rich Brown Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and this is how it looks like. Honestly, I tried this one, I tried the NYX one, and they were not as dark for me as I like. I think they were too waxy, so the color was not coming out as much as I like. So I don't think I'll be really using this for now. And then to really darken it, I used this NYX eyebrow gel, and this is in the shade Espresso. And it's a gel, and as you're applying it, that's what really made my eyebrows really dark. I kind of like the gel better. And then I cleaned them up using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and my shade is Chestnut. I don't really like a very bright concealer under my eyebrows. I'm very minimalist when it comes to makeup. I don't use much. Okay. And for my face, I already cleaned my face, and this is a moisturizer that I used, Olay, the Olay Regenerist Whip with sunscreen, 25, SPF 25. You need a sunscreen. This is really good. It has not, I have not broken out. I normally have a very sensitive skin, especially my forehead. If I apply any sunscreens, I'll break out, but you need to try this. And I'm gonna also be using brushes from Morphe. I will be starting off using the Morphe M456 brush. The shades are, oh yeah, the shades are on the back over here, which is smart. I'll go in with this shade, Spice It Up. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade and kind of just bring it up. Next, I'm gonna go in with Late Date, and I'm gonna darken the crease with it, and I'm gonna use Morphe M506. So when I applied that, the first shade for me, it kind of came out looking, let me show you. So that's how it looks like. You know, it's like a brownish, orangish, but as I kept applying, it started looking dirty on my eyelids, like I don't know, like dark, and I had not mixed with any other shade. So I don't know, maybe that's how my eyelids are pulling it out. I don't know, I have no idea. I really like this brush because it goes right inside the socket of my eye. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Afterglow, and I want to put it on my lid, and I'm gonna be using a flat brush from ColourPop. These are really nice. Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be a little bit pinker than that. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm going to put it, I'll show you where I'll put it, what I did to the other eye, and I'll put it right here inside, kind of create like a halo. and kind of blend those two shades together. The reverse of what you would do, like dark to light, I'm doing the other way around. And I'm gonna take a clean brush and just blend the two colors. I went back to the palette and I added Afterglow, and I added, which is the brighter shade. I used my finger and I put it on the side, and then I went in with the original shade that I had used, which is Late Date, and I kind of, you know, put a dark to give depth to the eye, and then kind of blended everything out. Okay, I'm gonna go in and line my eyes, and I'm using the Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner. And I don't know how to talk when I'm doing eyeliner, so I'm gonna have to go off camera and come back after I've lined my eyes. That's a nice eyeliner. First time using it, it's actually pretty good. Now I'm gonna go line my lower lashes with a black eyeliner, and I'll be using the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. And I saw someone review this and they said it was very creamy and it glides on. Oh yeah, it glides on real easily. And I got this from Ulta. That went in pretty easily. Okay, the mascara I'm gonna be using is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this mascara has a very flexible wand. You don't want your actual lashes to show when you're wearing your falsies. You will see them if you don't line them with mascara. I'm gonna go back to the palette and using the shade Late Date, I'm gonna put it under my eyes. All right, that's not showing, so I'm gonna use a lighter one. The one I'm using is Spice It Up. I don't even know if you can see that, but oh well. I think my lids are too dark for these shades. I need something like pops out like a red, you know. I went in and I popped my lashes, and the lashes that I used are these Adele Faux Mink Wispies, Demi Wispies, and they're actually very comfortable. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. It's getting kind of cloudy here. I'm gonna be trying the NYX Angel Veil primer. Sorry, that's too bright. I've never tried this primer before, but I've heard really good things about it. Oops, I think I put too much. All right, then I'm gonna be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and my shade is Chestnut, which is number 13, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe brush, foundation brush, M439. I was afraid this would be too yellow or too red on me, but it doesn't look that bad. I like that a lot. That looks good. No streakiness. This is the first time I'm using this brush, and it's actually really nice. Then I'm gonna be using my concealer from ColourPop and the No Filter concealer, and I'm in the shade Dark 46. And I really want to say this is a dupe for my favorite concealer. That's how it looks like. I use the NARS Medium Dark 3 Armande, and it is a dupe, man. It's a complete dupe of that. The sponge I'm going to be using is from Target. This is Sonia Kashuk. For setting that concealer, I like to use darker, the translucent powders. To me, the white ones, they just make me look cakey and white, and I don't like that. So the one I'm gonna be using today, which also sometimes makes me look cakey, but everybody loves it, it's the Sacha the Buttercup one. I'm gonna be using very, very little of this. Gonna blow the excess out. Okay. I don't usually bake for a long time. because I don't want it to accentuate the texture on my face. I'm not gonna contour really. I'm gonna use a bronzer, and I'm gonna be using the one. This is from Black Radiance, and this is in the shade. It's really a pressed powder, and Ebony. That's the shade, and I'll be using this angled brush, and this is from Andrea Renee with her collaboration with Peach and Pearl. Oh Lord, I thought I lost it. It comes with this little brush. I'm gonna be using a lip product, and I'm using the Milani ones. If you have not tried the Milani Amore matte liquid lipsticks, you need to try them. I got 4 of them, and I'm gonna do swatches for you guys. This is red, and they're calling it the number 1, which is satin. They're very comfortable. Look at that. That's satin. Is Devotion, which is number 14. This one is Gorgeous. These ones I haven't tried. I didn't have time to test these other 2, but I tried the satin one, and it was very comfortable. This one is Obsession. Look at that. These are gorgeous shades. For this look, I'm gonna use Gorgeous. They smell good. I didn't use any liner. What did I tell you? It's beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. To set all this, I'm gonna use Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. If you have a very oily skin, I think you can use a Make It Last, but if you have combo skin like I do, or normal, you can use this one. And I like how it sprays. It's not a lot on your face, but it's like a mist. This is good. I think I swallowed that. Everyone has been asking me how do I tie my wraps, and I'm gonna show you. Right now I just have cornrows. I took out my crochet hair, the curly one that I had, and I'm gonna be using this wrap. And this, I think I got this one from Wrap Queens. I don't remember the name of the wrap. This is what I do. I'm gonna move back. This is how the whole wrap looks like. So I just take it like this. Okay. Then I grab this here and I just twist it around. You grab and you twist it. Everyone has different methods of tying it, but this is how I do mine. Hopefully you can see me because it's getting dark over here. And you keep going. Gonna have something like that. Now if you want to, you can twist it round. Like I said, everybody has their different methods of tying it, but the look is always sometimes the same. So I grab it here and I turn. And now this is where I start to twist this way and I bring it towards the back. Then when I get here, I just tuck it in. Now this is new, so I mean, not new. I haven't used it before. I bought it, but I had never had the chance to use it. So it's kind of stiff, but I think after you've washed it, it softens up a bit. And that's it. The back. Thank you guys so much for sticking out with me again. these are the shades that I tend to gravitate towards. But like I said, I'll look for, I think I'll do a green next time, or just different shades, yellows, and try and expand my shades. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, be kind to others and be kind to yourselves. Bye.